I have quite some leftover tin and I want to do something with it. So my plan is to melt it and pour it in some kind of mold. And that one I'm going to 3D print. One out PLA and one out PETG, because one is 200 degrees and 260. Maybe this is going to make a difference when I pour the tin into it, and maybe it won't blow up. But we still need a way to melt it. Let's get that away. This little gas can is what I'm gonna use as kind of, what do you call that?
Crucible.
Crucible. So yeah, for that I need to cut off the top, and oh, before you're gonna do that, make sure the gas bottle is empty, because it's not that safe, I think, if you're gonna cut it with full of gas. So, this is test one, and here I have the PLA mold, the PETG mold, and I'm gonna see if pouring thing in it is actually gonna work, or is it just gonna explode. For safety reason I got a drill and some gloves, so let's melt some tin. I'm here using an old burner, that is because the other one was just useless. This one does have some leaking problems, and we will find out soon what that can do. But anyway, it is cold outside, so I'm gonna do the rest inside. I was kind of expecting that it will just melt through and be useless, but that didn't happen at all. When I opened it, it was this. Let's find out what is inside. What? Look at that! Holy! See? This is actually crazy. That this is going to work. I can see it melted through, and you can see the infill from the 3D print, but still, it doesn't look bad at all. Let's get it out. This is crazy. This is actually crazy. How? But I think I'm gonna remelt this one and try the PETG one. That gotta give me better results, right? And here I'm gonna tell you, don't play with fire. It's quite dangerous. The molten tin is kind of coming back up. I don't know if it is a good thing or a bad thing, but just let it cool down and we will see what it has become. So let's wait a bit. Oh, it's coming out. What? Is it all a bit cool down? Yes, I can. Oh, that's hot, that's hot. That's hot! Hot, hot, hot. It is even shiny. No way. Wow. Yeah, lovely. Oh, now I'm out of focus. Nee! Nee! No! The tin was not actually cooled down enough yet, and it was because of that quite soft. So yeah, now I do only have these pieces. But I think I have a solution for this. So it works and the result is actually pretty good. But the only downside is you can only use the mold once, because the mold is now all melted through, even the PETG one. But I think I have a solution that how we can fix that. Here we just have a normal balloon, and if we put the fire on that, it blows. But if we have here a balloon with water in it, you can see the balloon does not pop. This is because the water takes the heat faster away than the plastic can melt or something else break apart. That's why the balloon doesn't explode. And I also want to do this with my mold. somehow I water cool it and takes the heat away from the plastic before it even can melt. So to make it water cooled, I make this version of the mold. And for this we need also a pump and some tubes. So now that we have everything, let's connect it. So the water cooling mold is everything connected to the pump and all the tubes things to a 12 volt power supply. So let's turn it on and see what happens. Okay. It works. Oh no. Oh shit, it's leaking. And you can definitely see it when I here only blow air to it. It is leaking, and this is the problem with 3D printing. It is made of with layers and you cannot make it perfectly tight. And I don't want to reprint it again and again to try to get it almost perfect, so I have a better solution for this. And that is super glue. And with this I'm going to try to make it watertight, to get into every little gap. And after some gluing and failing and what's more gluing, I think I finally got it. So, let's put it together. Oh yeah, I also got a new torch and it sounds definitely like a jet engine. Wow, it's still sizzling. But anyway, let's get it open and see what it looks like. This cube is looking really good. It is not a fully cube because I kinda messed up with the tin, but if we compare to the other ones, it is almost perfect. I can even see the layer lines of the 3D print. This is actually crazy. Wow. I think I can make something of this weight cube. Now that we have seen my beautiful dice, did the mold actually held? If you're now looking at it, I don't see nothing wrong with it. No burn spots, no spot where it melted. So it probably can go for another round. But anyway, this stands for the video. If you like it, please subscribe and give this video a open like. And if you have anything to say, please comment down below. Thank you for watching. Bye!